nothing. us travel back in time and meet some of the great leaders who inspired millions of Indians. First, let us welcome the man who made youth and non-violence struggle of freedom. My youth was not violence. I believed in truth and non-violence. I encouraged Indians to stand together and fight injustice peacefully.
Babu, what was the greatest message in India?
Be truthful, remain peaceful, and never be afraid to stand for what is right. Mahatma Gandhi inspired millions through the principles of truth and non-violence. Freedom cannot be achieved without courage and sacrifice. I call upon Indians to rise together and fight for our nation's freedom.
You inspire many people to join the struggle for independence.
Yes, a nation becomes strong when its people are united, disciplined, and courageous. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose became a symbol of courage, determination, and patriotism. I was young, but I believe that the youth of India have a great responsibility towards the nation.
You showed extraordinary courage for the freedom of our country.
Let every young Indian develop courage, knowledge, and love for the motherland. Bhagat Singh remains an enduring symbol of bravery and sacrifice. I refused to surrender my kingdom. I stood against injustice and fought with courage.
You showed that courage does not depend on whether a man or a woman.
Yes, when our motherland calls, we must stand together with courage and determination. Rani Lakshmibai became one of the most courageous figures of the Indian freedom struggle. A nation becomes strong when its people remain united.
You played an important role in bringing the people of India together.
Unity is our strength. We may speak different languages and follow different traditions, but we are all Indians. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is remembered for his determination and his contribution to the unity of India.
Our leaders gave us freedom. They taught us courage. They taught us sacrifice. They taught us unity.
Remember that freedom comes with responsibility. Serve your country with courage.
Use your youth to learn, grow, and contribute to society. Never be afraid to stand against justice. Always remain united.
The freedom fighters fought for an India where future generations would live with dignity and freedom. Today, it is our responsibility to respect their sacrifices and contribute to our country in our own way.
We are proud to be Indians. We will respect our nation, serve our country, and always keep the spirit of patriotism alive. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Teachers, and my dear friends, welcome to the morning news. I am Joseph from class 5 section A, and I am here to present today's top national and regional news headlines. National news: new train project. The Union Cabinet approved a grant fund of rupees 13,041 crore to build a mass protect the oceans and deepen military cooperation. Safety panel for students. The Supreme Court of India ordered a special high-powered inquiry committee to look into students' safety and peaceful protests across the country. Mizoram News. Sports celebration. Our brilliant Mizo hockey star, Lal Islami, is being widely celebrated across the state after being selected for India's highly prestigious Arjuna Award. Governor honors soldiers. Mizoram Governor General Vijay Kumar Singh attended a grand ex-serviceman rally in Aizawl yesterday. He praised our retired soldiers and called India's youth the true architects of the future. In the tragic murder case of 15 years old Ekram Dinkui from Wolchong North village, the Mizoram police arrested two suspects on 20 August 2026, identified as Deng Tama, 20 years, and Lalne Kima, 34 years. Moving on to the weather, Policy will be mostly cloudy with scattered thunderstorms. A high temperature of 33 degrees Celsius and a low of 26 degrees Celsius. Thought for the day. Let us close with today's inspiring thought. The youth are the architects of the future. Let us build it with discipline and kindness. That's all for today. Thank you.
Chico